Hi, it's Dr. Weideman with a quick weekly update for this week. So let's take a look at where we've been. So in week 1, we learned about data, and in week 2, we learned about ways to visualize data. This week, in week 3, we're going to describe, explore, and compare data, and we're going to calculate measures of center, measures of variation, and measures of relative standing, which will lead us to another graphical display for data called the box plot. So your assignments for this week include My Math Lab homework for sections 3.1 to 3.3. Again, as usual, a weekly quiz. And this week, your discussion topic is exploring an index. And in the discussion instructions, I've given you some examples of indices. And you're going to find an example of an index and describe the items, that is the variables that are used to create the index, and how the index has performed over the past 10 and 20 years. So where are we going? So next week, we're going to change gears a little bit and start to learn about probability. And in probability, we learn about rules for probability. There's a lot of rules: addition rule, multiplication rule, complement rule. We'll learn about conditional probability, and we'll learn about fundamental counting principle, which includes permutations and combinations, and factorial rule. So feel free to contact me if you have any questions as you work on the material for this week.